How to withdraw money from gateio to your bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to withdraw money from gateio, here are the process. First of all, head over to Play Store to check if you have updated your application. Make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, sign in to your gate.io account. Next up, you have to navigate to the Assets section. It is located on the bottom right corner and then select Withdraw to proceed. This will ask you to verify your identity first. So first of all, provide any of your identity and verification. Once that is done, you have to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. It can be USDT. Once that is done, instead of on-chain withdrawal or other option, choose fiat for selling crypto. Select the currency that you want to withdraw and then choose a payment method. For bank transfer, it is SEPA. Then enter the withdrawal amount. Review the fees associated with the withdrawal. Then confirm the details and sell the cryptocurrency. The funds will be now transferred to your bank account via the selected payment method, which is SEPA transfer. However, here are three things to keep in mind. The first one is checking the applicable fees and processing times. Second is ensuring your bank supports SEPA or chosen payment method. Third is double check your bank details to avoid any errors. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.